Are you having a little trouble testing your RV plumbing system for pesky leaks? RecPro can help you solve that pesky little problem with our RV City Water pressure test plug. That's RP-1779. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm here to show you how this small and simple little device makes testing your plumbing system for leaks way easier. The dimensions for this small piece of equipment are up on the screen if you want to pause the video and take a quick look. This pressure test plug is made here in the USA using anodized aluminum, keeping it lightweight while offering exceptional strength and durability, which you certainly need when trying to test your plumbing system. It allows you to connect an air hose and compressor to your city water inlet. It's used for testing your plumbing system for leaks by pressing the city water check valve open to allow for pressure tests using the air hose and compressor as mentioned previously. The pressurized air will fill your plumbing system and you'll be able to detect leaks more easily. It is also factory tested for zero leakage, so you can use it with reliability in mind. A leaky plumbing system is always a nightmare to deal with, especially in an RV. Make sure you can find any potential leaks in your RV plumbing system with the help of RecPro and our pressure test plug. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.